To achieve a natural-looking red hue on your lips, start by prepping them with a homemade scrub made of honey and brown sugar to remove dry skin, or use a soft bristled toothbrush for extra exfoliation. Next, consider using natural lip plumpers like cinnamon or cayenne pepper to enhance circulation. After exfoliating, apply a nourishing serum using coconut, olive, or almond oil to keep your lips soft. For color, use lip stains or natural options like fruit juice from cherries or pomegranates, or beetroot powder mixed with water. Protect your lips from the sun with an SPF lip gloss and keep them hydrated to prevent chapping. During winter, carry lip balm and consider a humidifier to maintain moisture. Lastly, avoid smoking to prevent discoloration and maintain vibrant, healthy-looking lips.